up, guys? I just wanted to do a quick update on the rainwater harvesting trench that we had dug a little while ago. It rained once after that. The trench filled up. I posted a picture of it on Facebook, Instagram. So it filled up. Water had time to stand there and percolate slowly into the ground. So that was all theory at that point. Then we planted all around it. And now it's been some time that there's been no rain and the plants have had time to grow. And here we see the result of the trench. Okay, here we go. So first of all, this is the trench itself. I don't know how well you can see it in this video, but this guy is the trench. Okay, yeah. So now if you see the plants growing around the trench, near the trench. So first of all these are weeds. Okay, like we planted this area with the tractor. I mean, as close as we could without damaging the trench, and these are the weeds growing in it. It's not an issue for now, at least. And all these are the plants planted around the trench. Okay, so just look at the difference in the size of like these plants and the plants growing here. It's a massive difference. Okay, and it's the same story throughout the length of the trench. And in fact, of course, even the weeds are growing more lushly around the trench. If you look at this area here, the weeds are having a field day. So basically, wherever you see all these weeds, or at least on this side of the trench, this side, this whole line will be planted with trees. So you can imagine how much water the trees will have access to. So I just wanted to point out again, I'm not sure how many of you actually caught this, but the trench needs to be on the same level. Okay, it basically needs to be on contour with the land. So basically, if you put water in the trench, it should neither go up or down the trench. It should stay right there, theoretically, okay? And yeah, like this trench, right now, it has served the purpose of helping us percolate rainwater into the ground and store it there. Later, we will use it for irrigation. And whenever it rains, if it rains a lot, then it helps in drainage. So it's got three really strong functions, and I'm in love with it so far. One important point, the sphere of influence of the trench, or the range of effectiveness, like, is around 7 feet, somewhere there. Okay, so if you keep two trenches in parallel to each other, around 14 to 15 feet apart, that should have optimum effectiveness without too much overlap or gap. And I'm here to say that this definitely works, and it's something that I'll be scaling up a lot. This entire land will be filled with trenches, lined with trees, and in the middle we're going to take other crops. And as you can see, so all this is growing on rainwater, by the way, no irrigation, and it's been a while since it's rained. The dew actually helps a lot as well. That's a video on its own that I'm going to make later. But yeah, I love what's happened with this trench, and I'm gonna continue doing this and keep updating you guys. When the trees will be on it and stuff is gonna be absolutely gorgeous. So can't wait for that. Anyway, peace.